guys, it's Jovi, and welcome to Jovi B Styles. Today we're doing an unboxing. Okay, I was cleaning my house. I look like this, but I have a package that came in the mail today, and I am so excited to show you guys what I got. Oh my God. Okay, so I ripped off the address. I'm so shocked that it was supposed to need a signature, like for real. If this would have got lost, I would have been so angry. But I put in for like a notification when it was delivered. So as soon as I guess the mailman delivered it, it sent me a text and I ran downstairs to go get it. So I'm thoroughly excited. I want to show y'all what I got, okay? Okay. Okay. I guess everybody know what this is, right? Oh my God. Yeah. So if you don't know, you know, we're all about leveling up over here and living our best freaking lives, okay? We have 2 channels. Side note, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Subscribe to my other channel, Jovi Beauty, okay? And follow me on my other social media platforms, okay? But as you know, this channel is all about being the best you, okay? Becoming the best you. And to do that, you have to invest in yourself, okay? We all know I am on a crazy diet right now in order to lose a certain amount of weight. And it is what it is. You got to do what you got to do when you got to do it, okay? Got my Louis Vuitton. I am so excited. This is the receipt and stuff. The exchange papers. See, I live in New York City, so I could always have went to the store, but the stores are closed. I am looking for one particular item that I have to go to the store to get, but like I said, the stores are closed, you know. Okay, here we go. Oh, I hope there would have been gift wrapped, but okay. Are we ready? I'm ready. So it came in the pouch. It came in a pouch. I'm really interested in only, like I said, 2 or 3 of these items. Okay, so let me just say, before I even open it, the pressure. Let me just say that a lot of these canvases are being discontinued. So it's really hard to find certain things. And this was like sold out for a while. And when I finally saw it was available, girl, in the cart, okay? And like I said, the stores are closed. Even though I live in New York City and I probably could find some of these items that I'm looking for in the stores are closed. But let's get to it. Look at it. Look at it. Look at it. Oh my gosh. Okay, so look. Oh my gosh. Look at the emblem. Pull up. See? It's one complete canvas. It's beautiful. I'm really not into the monogram. I'm not a monogram kind of person. So I think the monograms are too showy. You know, I like subtle showy. You're from my light. I like subtle showy. My daughter is in the background geeking over this right now, okay? She needed to be here to see it, okay? So let's open it up. Okay, I know it comes with this. It comes with the tags. So this is, you know, if I ever want to get it hot stamped, which I probably will. I don't know if I'm gonna get it hot stamped. It's made in France. It's made in France. And if you know anything, you know that being made in France is the best. Second comes Spain. I see my thing code. I can't read it right now. It's too hard. But the beautiful red interior. See, this is like, to me, it's a cosmetics pouch. You can wipe clean. You can wipe this clean, which is a selling factor for me. And, you know, I can carry this. It's a, you know, it's as a like little purse. Like I want this. I have something else I'm trying to get that is on my mind. I'm so excited that I finally got this, y'all. Y'all don't even understand. Y'all don't even understand. I was gonna get it. I was looking into a pochette, but one, those are sold out, and this is a little larger, and I like the fact that I can hold this. My phone could fit in here. Everything can fit in here, and you know, hold up. Yeah, I like the fact that my phone could fit in here and everything I need can fit in here. And I can just, you know, carry this with me with a cute little dress or something. I really like that. But, yeah. Okay, I'm going to let y'all go because I'm going to spend the next hour just touching it and staring at it. But thank you for watching, and turn it off.